Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we remove Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone device. So friends, you want to remove your Wi-Fi network, which network guys you have connected, you have paired, and guys you don't want to use this network guys, you want to remove in your phone guys your Wi-Fi network. So friends, how can you remove? In this video friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to remove your Wi-Fi network guys? Open your phone setting and guys you can see your Wi-Fi settings and tap here. So as you can see guys, we have paired this 5G network and guys we want to remove this 5G network. So how to remove this network? So as you can see right there, this icon guys, setting icon, so friends tap here, and friends you can see remove option and guys you can see auto connect. So you want to off and off on, so you can on and off from here your auto connect option, and guys you want to share this Wi-Fi, and guys you want to share any Wi-Fi network, so friends you can share from here Wi-Fi QR code, and guys you can see remove this network and tap here to remove it. So where this Wi-Fi network will not work, 5G network guys you can see, if we use, so we will have to pair again, we will have to enter password again, then guys we can use it. So we will disable our Wi-Fi setting. So like that guys you can remove your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.